Okay. This goes up to the Divine Mercy Shrine here. Hopefully it took some videos as we came in. Let's go see. Where we are today, we're at the Divine Mercy Shrine. It's up there. It's a beautiful place. You can see it. Hey. St. Michael here.
Loving and forgiving are you, O Lord, slow to anger, rich in kindness, loving and forgiving are you.
All my being, bless the Lord, bless the holy name of God. All my being, bless the Lord, remembering the goodness of God.
Loving and forgiving are you, O Lord, slow to anger, rich in kindness, loving and forgiving are you. God forgives us all our sins, healing those who live in pain, saving us from final death. God fills us with goodness and love. Loving and forgiving are you, O Lord, slow to anger, rich in kindness, loving and forgiving are you.
Okay, it's time to go home.
Good and gracious
See, that's the Santo Niño Parish Church of Siari on the right. As we come down here to this intersection and across this arch, you turn right to go to Dipolog. We turn left here to go to Sindangan Zamboanga City. That's it, folks. Happy trails.